Interactive Forecasting Lab Template, a hands-on time series learning tool. I am Siti Hasma Hajar binti Mak Zain as a leader, and my group member is Nur Hidayah binti Hashim. We are lecturer at the Faculty of Computer and Mathematical Sciences, University Technology Mara, Segamat campus. There are three objectives of the forecasting template product. Number one, to simplify the process of time series forecasting by providing a ready-to-use Excel-based tool with automated calculation and visual output. Number two, to enhance student understanding of forecasting process. Number three, to improve classroom engagement and active learning. Let me start by giving you some background information. Time series analysis is a statistical technique used to examine and evaluate sequential data points gathered at regular time interval. At UC Technology Mara, diploma students enrolled in business and accounting programs are required to take STA 104, Introduction to Statistics. One of the core topics in this course is time series analysis, where students learn to compute trends using moving average method, calculate seasonal index, and perform forecasts using multiplicative method. However, many students have minimum mathematical backgrounds and some struggle significantly with calculation. There are times when students wish to have their answer reviewed by lecturer. However, due to time constraint, this may not always be possible. As a result, they face several challenges in learning time series analysis. To address this difficulty, a hands-on tool for learning time series, which is Interactive Forecasting Lab Template, was introduced. This Excel-based tool simplifies the forecasting process by offering a ready-to-use template with automated calculation and visual representation of results. Using this template, students can verify their answer independently after doing exercises on time series data analysis. So this enables students to self-assess their understanding by comparing their manual work with the tool output when answering time series-related questions. Let's now turn to materials and method. A hands-on time series learning tool was created by using Microsoft Excel to enhance understanding of forecasting technique through interactive, visual, and structured learning. This Excel template is designed with several organization sheets. The first sheet is instruction. It provides guidelines on how to use this template. The second sheet explains in detail the step-by-step procedure and formula used in the forecasting process. Meanwhile, another three sheet demonstrates different forecasting techniques such as 4 moving average and 3 moving average. Basically, these three sheets contain editable input field for time series data and automatically calculate the forecast value. It also contains color-coded input and output cell to guide user interaction and include protected formula cell to avoid accidental edits. Let's take this example. The question asks students to find trend values using moving average method, calculate seasonal index, and determine the forecast value. This question refers to 3 moving average as it consists of 3 terms, January to April, May to August, and September to December. So user need to choose main sheet 3 moving average. User need to key in the data set in the color-coded yellow. They need to enter the data set in column A, B, and C. A data validation is applied for these 3 columns in order to help user input the correct value to avoid error in calculation. This ensures all data used in the forecasting calculation are valid and meaningful. The trend values, the seasonal index, and the forecast value will be generated automatically in the color code. The color blue cell shows the trend value, the color green cell shows the seasonal index, and the color red cell shows the forecast value. For forecasting value, user can refer to question regarding the quarter, week, or term they want to predict. To ensure the effectiveness of using this template, an evaluation was conducted by distributing a feedback form to the student. The results were highly positive. Majority of the students agree that the tool improved their understanding of time series analysis. This forecasting template is an original teaching tool that we have developed. We have applied for copyright to ensure that the design, structure, and formula are recognized as our intellectual property. At the same time, it promotes the importance of innovation and ensures the tool is used correctly in educational setting. In conclusion, this learning tool support lecturer in designing effective teaching strategy and material tailored to student need. It also assists lecturer in implementing various methods such as teaching statistics in simple and interesting manner so that difficulties are minimized. In the future, the application will have additional worksheets to support a wider variety of dataset and enhance student accessibility.